Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Kevin Richardson from Microbes Solutions, your source for continuously clean films, where we use technology instead of harmful toxins and chemicals to keep your facility's constant touch points constantly sanitized. So I want to talk today about how on earth do these films do that. So what we're going to do is draw a correlation between bleach and these films. Why bleach? I'll tell you why. Bleach is an oxidizer. Now, if you've done any little bit of research on these films, you'll learn the mineral nanocrystals in the makeup of the material itself react to light, artificial or natural light, creating an oxidation reaction stronger than bleach. So the question I would have is what is an oxidation reaction? How does that even work? So if we go to bleach as our example, the best way I can think of describing it is using our pH scale. So our pH scale runs from 0 to 14. Anything from 14, above 7 is going to be an alkaline. Anything below 7 is going to be an acid. 7 being our neutral. Ideally your water is 7 or very close to it. You will see that some neutral cleaners actually fall under an 8 or a 9. So they're not truly neutral per se, but they are, a lot less aggressive than other type of cleaners. So using the bleach or oxidizer, in this case, as our example, that actually falls in the 11 to 13 range, which is a strong alkaline. For an example, when we go to 14, off the top of my head, toilet bowl cleaners would sit at a 14, and most of us would know or have an idea of what the strong smell is. And oven cleaners also up there. I think they're around a 12 or 13, something like that. So most cleaners falling on the alkaline side. Now, so we have the benefit of a strong cleaner, but we also have the benefit of that word oxidizer and what that means. So let me get rid of this. How on earth does an oxidizer even work? Oxidizer. So we're oxidizing something is simply adding oxygen. It's doing two things actually. It's adding oxygen and it's removing hydrogen. So we're changing the makeup of that molecule and disrupting it. And that's what causes a cell to be broken down, destroyed, eradicated, whatever you want to call it. So that is a fantastic benefit. Now, what we don't want is all the pitfalls that come along with a bleach or a liquid type oxidizer. Obviously it says keep out of reach of children. Do not breathe fumes, may irritate eyes, skin, dangerous fumes form when mixed with other products. Do not mix with acid products, household ammonia, blah, blah, blah. So we got a lot of warnings in there. Obviously, again, we have some benefits to an oxidizer or bleach. But what if we could take all the benefits in terms of what it can do to eradicate viruses and have that oxidation reaction but on a completely safe platform. And this is what continuously clean films provide. So instead of continually going around cleaning and disinfecting, I don't know if you've noticed, but I have seen $300,000 fit-ups, brand new fit-ups, commercial fit-ups, completely destroyed within months from over cleaning, over disinfecting, spraying stuff all over the place, and you know, it's this byproduct, another byproduct of what we're dealing with during this pandemic. So this additional expense. So why don't we remove these harmful chemicals, the time, the labor it takes to go around and continually apply this stuff, and go to something that is an absolutely fantastic alternative. And I almost cringe when I use the word alternative, because really that should be the alternative. This should be the go-to. Do we not, in 2021, want to be looking at the most sustainable option that we can possibly provide when we are doing this in every single facility that we come across? Do we not want to provide an alternative? And again, I cringe when I say alternative. Do we not want to provide the best solution for those constant touch points in your facility by using something that has no toxins, no chemicals, no MSD, no instructions, no warnings on the back of this baby, no MSDS sheet, because we don't need one. Why would we need one? It's a film. I can lick it. I won't lick it, but I could lick it. Nothing's coming off of this film. Now, the great thing about these films, you apply them, you're done with bleaches, you're done with disinfectants. You have this on your door handle, your pull. Obviously, this is just one example of the films that are offered. But we're taking out all the labor. We're taking it. Okay, forget just that alone. Okay, forget about the fact that you're taking out. Imagine your clients coming into your facility. They see this. They're going to take interest right away because it's white. It looks extremely clean on any surface. It looks fantastic. You got the nice green leaf because it's green. It's greener than bleach. It's greener than any type of a disinfectant that you're continually applying. And I know there are some green, biodegradable, completely natural disinfectants. However, they are still disinfectants. So we take out all the guesswork. Your clients are going to know right away that that surface is being looked after, that you have made the decision to put in place the best solution for your staff, for your patrons, clientele, what have you, coming into your facility, seeing that on the doors, seeing your elevator buttons with those, with the elevator button covers, with that little NanoSeptic label. They're going to be like, man, these guys, this facility, they're doing a step above. And you look at it and you think, okay, well, you know what, it's good. It's kind of good optics. It's so much more than optics. These films are optics on a mission. If you want to learn more about these continuously clean films and where in your facility they can be effective, then check out our website, Microbes Solutions. That's microbes plural, microbesolutions.ca. We would love to help you keep your facility clean. We'd love for you to be the leader in what we're, this ongoing pandemic that we are unfortunately still dealing with. And this is a product that's going to put you above your competition and show everyone, your staff, your clientele, that you have the health, you have the cleanliness of your facility at top of mind. Again, microbesolutions.ca. We would love to be of service to you.